Hello class. Today we are going to start with Rajasthan geography. So the first chapter is an introduction to Rajasthan geography. So basically first thing about geography of Rajasthan is we must be familiar with the map of Rajasthan. So here we are having a map of Rajasthan with the districts. So first of all we are going to look at the eastern border. Okay, so it is 78 degree 17 minutes east. Also the western border, it is 69.30 east. One thing which is to be noted is that Rajasthan lie in the eastern time zone. Now another thing, the southernmost point is 23 degree 3 minutes north. Similarly, it's 30.12 degree and 12 minutes. Now another thing, the important thing here is that both of them lie in the north. So Rajasthan lie north of the equator. Now we are going to look at the states surrounding Rajasthan. So first one, we look at the eastern states. So first state is Madhya Pradesh, then Uttar Pradesh, then Haryana, then Punjab, then Pakistan, it is a nation, and then Gujarat. So now we write from east to in anti-circular. So we write from top. Okay, then Pakistan. Okay, then Gujarat, then MP, then UP, then Haryana, then Punjab. So how many states? It's five states and one country. Now the important thing here is that which district basically surrounds Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Pakistan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. Now we move to our introduction. So the population. See, here the issue is that the complete population data is 6.85 crore. So do we need to learn it? Yes, we need to learn it because Rajasthan used to change either this digit or this digit and ask a question. So the exact population we need to learn. 68548,437. We have covered it. Now the Tropic of Cancer, it passes through southern part through Banswara and Dungpur district. Now the state boundary is shared by five states, which are Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab. Now the districts which are bordering Gujarat are बाड़मेर, जालौर, सिरोही, उदयपुर, डूंगरपुर, बांसवाड़ा। मध्य प्रदेश आज धौलपुर, करौली, सवाई माधोपुर, कोटा, बारां, चित्तौड़गढ़, भीलवाड़ा, प्रतापगढ़, बांसवाड़ा एंड झालावाड़। उत्तर प्रदेश भरतपुर एंड धौलपुर। हरियाणा हनुमानगढ़, चूरू, झुंझुनू, सीकर, जयपुर, अलवर, भरतपुर। पंजाब श्री गंगानगर एंड हनुमानगढ़। Now the total boundary it's 5920 kilometers. Now border with Pakistan. See, border with Pakistan is strategic from internal and external security. Why? See, the border with Pakistan has the area which are desert. So the security problem in these region is of prime importance. The region are famous for counterfeit currency, drug. So our security forces have sealed the entire border along the Pakistan. Now, which security force is responsible for this? So it is Border Security Force, that is BSF. Now, the longest border with Pakistan is of Jaisalmer and the smallest is of Bikaner. 8 districts have no border with other state or Pakistan country. Here we can say Pakistan. Okay, so which are these districts? Pali, Rajsamand, Jodhpur, Nagaur, Dausa and Bundi. Maximum number of districts, so they are bordered by Pali. Now see, Rajasthan prior to independence constituted many rulers or princely states. So there are 5 stages of the integration of Rajasthan, which we will cover in Rajasthan history. Here we are just considering about the number of districts. So at the time of independence, there were 25 districts. 26th was Ajmer. 27th Dholpur. It was bifurcated the Bharatpur district into Dholpur and Bharatpur. 28th Bara out of Kota. Dausa out of Jaipur. 30th Rajsamand out of Udaipur and 31st Hanumangarh. Then 32nd Karoli and 33rd Pratapgarh. It is important because it is the latest one. Okay. Now area wise largest district, Jaisalmer first, then Barmer. Okay, spelling is wrong. Barmer, Bikaner, Jodhpur, Nagaur. And population wise largest 5 districts, it's Jaipur. See, it's the capital city. So we know it that as it is a capital city, so its population is going because of the migration. It provide higher employment opportunity, educational opportunity. So the rural population of Rajasthan migrate toward Jaipur. Another is Jodhpur, Alwar, Nagaur, Udaipur. See these series you need to remember. Okay, this was just an introduction of Rajasthan. In next lecture, we are going to cover with physical features of Rajasthan.